All right, guys, here's the next workout for the East Room is beginner workout 3. It's going to be front squat, toes through rings. So it's a 9-minute AMRAP, and the reps increase kind of through every round. So notice on the scorecard, we have on the far left the rep for that specific round, and on the far right it says reps, which are the cumulative reps that have been done throughout this workout. So this is just kind of help you with the math. Again, we'll have the scorekeeper kind of double check your math as we're going through it. All right, so it's going to start with the athlete under the rig. Okay, so all athletes will be under the rig. Okay, at 3, 2, 1, go, they're going to proceed out to this first quadrant. So right now I just have PVC pipes out. For a game day, we're going to actually have taped quadrants on this. It's going to make sense for your room. So that athlete will go ahead and do their 3 front squats in this area. What we're looking for is that hip crease below the knee and standing up all the way. So you need to have a couple different kind of cues that you would want to give them. So for the front squat, I would say, get deeper is probably one of the cues if they weren't deep enough. And then if they're not locking out, I would say just stand up all the way. Stand up, and hopefully you can get them on that next rep. I would say, we probably want to give them 1 warning and then go right into no rep them, just making sure they understand why they're getting no rep. It's kind of our goal. So why they're getting no reps is a big deal. All right, so they do their 3 front squats here. They immediately go over and do their 3 toes through rings. So we're looking for heels to be behind the plane, which pretty much happens every time, and then toes to go through the rings. Some of them are going to be kind of short, and that's okay. They can use the J-clips and put them down kind of low and use those as a step to get up to their rings. That's going to be fine. After their 3 toes through rings, they're then going to move over, move their bar into the next quadrant, and then do their 6 front squats. Right? After 6 front squats, you go ahead and drop it, Jared. They're going to do 6 toes through rings. Yeah. Good. And then they'll move their bar forward and go 9 front squats, 9 toes through rings, 12 front squats, 12 toes through rings, 15, 18, 21. If they make it past 21, which I'm not sure anyone will, they can just keep going in the 21 box. That's going to be okay. So not a huge deal if they have to do those other rounds in the 21 box. That's fine. So, all right, here's what we're looking at on the scorecard. If I was you, I would just keep track, every round, either with tick marks or just a check mark or writing how many they did. Go ahead and, this would be 3. And then moving through, on every time so that you can keep track of how far they get. So let's say our athlete got 15 front squats and then 10 toes through rings. So I would just go ahead and circle that 10. That's where they ended. If they had finished the 15, their score would have been the 90. But they didn't. They didn't finish, so that means it's 5 reps less than 90 because they had 5 reps less to finish, and so their final reps would actually be 85. If you want to write that and figure it out, you can. That's fine. If you just want to do this and let the head scorekeeper figure it out, you can do that also. You're going to write your name printed so that I can come find you if I have questions, and then the athlete will sign their name right here. You'll give this scorecard to the runner, and then you'll get a new scorecard from your head judge. Anything to add, Jared?
Toes through rings.
Not toes to rings.
Yeah, toes through rings.
They need to both go through at the same time.